Welcome back to RotoCityTech. Today we are out in the messy shop, but we are going to try to turn all that wood over there into this Murphy bed that we have in one of the other bedrooms. I already made one about a year ago that I tried to do a video on, but I don't remember what happened. So we're going to try to do this one. Some of the wood's already cut, but it's going to be not a how-to video, but just a video showing the process. Yesterday I had some dental work done, so my mouth and jaw are a little sore, and so I don't want to talk a whole bunch. But I'll show you the process of how to build this little thing. Super easy. You just buy all the hardware online. I'll have to link it in the description below. So anyways, hope you like this video. Please consider subscribing as we go through the winter trying to fill up some to-do lists without having a camper. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks.
I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
I forgot to video installing the Murphy bed onto the wall, but I am going to show you how I did it, and I'm going to show you the process of folding that down to turn into a bed. So stay tuned. So here we are in the bedroom, and as you can see, we have a few things on that. And here is the little lock mechanism. You have to undo both of these, and the bed will fold out of the wall. So for now, I'm going to unload all this stuff, and then we're going to fold it down. So now you can see that the bed is down. Now you would want to scoot it a little closer to the headboard to have a little more room back here, but I'm going to leave it be right now. It's got this little strap, those little eye bolts that I screwed through, and that's what keeps the mattress secure, as well as this little 2x4 here. But the only thing left to do is put down the headboard. And then, like I said, you scoot that bed a little closer, and then there is your Murphy bed. Anyways, thanks for watching RotoCityTech. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at RotoCityTech. Alright, y'all have a good day.